Man's quest for understanding of himself and his fellow men and of the environment around him seems instinctive, universal, and eternal. And in this search for understanding, nations, big or small, rich or poor, have adopted education as the indispensable means. Ideas are imbued in the minds of men, disseminated among men, and transmitted by men from generation to generation through the process of education. The United Nations, which is an international body constituted by almost all nations of the world, recognizing the potentialities of education, has organized the UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, with the following principles, which constitute the following. Its purpose is to contribute peace and security by promoting collaboration among the nations through education, science, and culture in order to further universal respect of justice, for the role of law, and for human rights and fundamental freedoms which are affirmed for the peoples of the world without distinction of race, sex, language, or religion by the Charter of the United Nations.